Welcome to the class. Students, as we are doing the 12th chapter of maths, the Herons formula. And the very previous lecture we have seen the very basic idea of triangle. And then we have seen about the Herons formula, who found it, why it is named as Herons formula. And we have seen very specifically in detail about Herons formula. Now, in this video we are going to solve some of the sums related to Herons formula. But before going on Herons formula, we'll recall some of the formula. So we have seen the formula for semi-perimeter, and we have said the semi-perimeter is half of the triangle. Yes. Then we have seen that what is semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2, and even we have defined that A, B and C are the sides of triangle, right? And if we remember the formula as into the square root s minus A multiplied by s minus B multiplied by s minus C. This was the formula to find the area of triangle by Herons formula. And even we have defined it when we need to use this formula. Whenever we have been given all the sides of the triangle, then with this formula any type of triangle, the area of any type of triangle can be found. So students, on that basis we will start the very first sum, and this sum is basically not in your text. So it is the measurement of the side of the triangle are 12 centimeter, 17 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and you need to find the area of this triangle. So before going on this sum, first we'll enlist what things do we have, what the information we have. So basically we have been given a triangle, we are given the sides of the triangle, and the measurements are 12 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 25 centimeter respectively. Now we are given the sides, we need to find the area of triangle. So what we need to do? First, we'll clear that what things we have, right? So students, now I'm starting the sum over here. So we'll do first example 1. This is this. Now, in that, as we have read the sum, we know we are given the sides of the triangle. So we'll set this that the sides of triangle are the sides of triangles which are given are, and you know we are naming this as A, B and C. So I can say that A, it is a small a. The small a will be 12 centimeter. You can see over this will be small a will be 12 centimeter. So I am writing A equals to 12 centimeter. Then we move on B, and we know that B is 17 centimeter. So respectively C will be 25 centimeter. So I am writing here as B is 17 centimeter and C is 25 centimeter. So this is the way, students, I am getting all my sides. I am writing the sides of the triangle and I am renaming the sides A, B, C respectively. Now, first thing which we need to find in this formula is smallest, and small is nothing but semi-perimeter, and even we know the formula to find the semi-perimeter is the sides of the triangle, that is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. So first I find semi-perimeter is semi-perimeter. That is nothing but equal to, I can say is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. So this I am having semi-perimeter. Now as I know that A, B and C are nothing but 12 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So I am writing here is 12 plus 17 plus 25 and this whole is been divided by 2. So here students, basically what we'll do? We'll do the addition of all of this. That is 12 plus 17 plus 25. You do calculate it and when you calculate this, the total will be about 54. So as I know that the total is about 54 and all of this is again divided by 2. That is going to remain. So I am writing over here as centimeter because this is a unit. So now I divide 54 by 2. My answer is going to be C. As you go and divide it, you will get the answer as 27 centimeter. This is a basic addition, that is 54 divided by 2. So I am writing here is 27 centimeter. Now the next thing which I am doing over here, that I am highlighting this in the box. So you will be able to understand that what we have found. Right? So I can say that the semi-perimeter I am getting from this by the sides of the triangle is 27 centimeter. Now students, what I need to do? I need to find the area of triangle. Remember we are finding the area of triangle. See, find the area of this triangle. So when I need to find the area of the triangle, what I need to find? Semi-perimeter, which I have to find by the sides. Now we'll go on the second part. It is I am going to find the area. So I will write over here area. But before going on area, remember the formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A must be found, S minus B must be found, S minus C must be found. And we know that students, S minus A is nothing but semi-perimeter minus the side of the triangle, that is represented as A. Same as the S minus B is the semi-perimeter, the measurement of semi-perimeter minus the side B, and the semi-perimeter minus side C. So I am writing here. Then what will do next? S minus A. And students, I know that S what I am writing over here is 27 centimeter. So I am writing here is 27 minus, along with I am writing AS 12 centimeter. So I am writing here is 12. And now I will subtract 27 minus 12. I am going to get 15 centimeter. Getting it? Now, the same way I will find S minus B, that is S minus B. So that will be again, semi-perimeter is 27. So write over here 27. Now B I am having over here is 17 centimeter. So writing over here is 17, and we all, as we know that 27 minus 17 is nothing but equal to 10. So I am writing over here is 10 centimeter. Now moving on the next, that is S minus C. That is again semi-perimeter minus the side of a triangle C. It is 27, and we know that C is nothing but 25 centimeter. Yes, so a semi-perimeter is 27 centimeter and C is nothing but 25 centimeter, and I subtract it, basically I am going to get the answer 2 centimeter. So for the formula I need semi-perimeter. The value of semi-perimeter is S, and S is known, I am getting over here 27 centimeter. Now guys, students, next value S minus B, S minus A, S minus C for the formula. So I am going to find this too. So now everything we have. Now I am going to apply all of these terms, all of the values all of that in the formula. So as we know, now I am writing over here area of triangle, that is nothing but I can say that S, which is going to be our formula to find area of triangle, into S minus P multiplied by S minus P multiplied by S minus C. Right? Now students, I will put all of this for value in this. So I know that is S is nothing but 27. So I am writing over here is 27. In the bracket I am writing S minus A, and S minus A is nothing but 15 centimeter. So I am writing over here 15 over here. Right? Then I will write the value of S minus B. It is nothing but equal to, see, all of this thing is going to be multiplication, 27 into 15, similarly into 10, it is S minus B, and multiplied by 2, that is S minus C. Now students, will factorize this. How I factorize? As I know, 27 is nothing but, see, I am showing over here that if I have to factorize 27, it will be 9 into 3, that 9 multiplied by 3 is nothing but equal to 27. Now students, again if I factorize 9, I am going to get 3 multiplied by 3. So you can write this as 3 multiplied by 3, and this is going to remain as the same. So I can write 27 as 3 multiplied by 3 is nothing but equal to 9, and 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. This is how I am going to factorize 27. Right? So I write basically 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Right? Now I am getting 15, and we know if I need to factorize 15, that is nothing but 3 multiplied by 15. So I am writing over here 3 multiplied by 5, and further this I am going to factorize. So I will cap this as 3 multiplied by 5. Now if I go for 10, I know again 10 is 2 5s are 10, or I can say 5 2s are 10. So I am writing here is 2 5s are 10. The very last thing is 2, and 2 is nothing but even to factorize it will be 2 1s are 2. So I am simply writing it over here as 2. Now the very crucial point is to factorize it very properly, and as soon as you perfectly factorize this term, what you need to do? You need to make a pair. That is, you need to make a pair, 2 to pair. It is, if I go for this, 3 into 3 will be one pair, right? And again 3 into 3 will be one of the pair, and 5 into 5. This 5 and this 5 will be a pair. So I am getting 2 pair. So simply I can write this as series. See what I can write over here? 3. Yes, I can write this as if I after writing this pair, I am getting over here as 3, right? The pair one of this pair. Again I am getting another pair. This is 3, and again I am getting a pair of 5. I am writing the rest 5. Yes, and one more pair we are getting over here, that is about 2 multiplied by 2. So I'm writing here is multiplied by 2. So basically you can see 3 multiplied by 3 is one of the pair. Again 3 multiplied by 3 is one of the pair. This 5 multiplied by 5 is one of the pair. And 2 multiplied by 2 is one of the pair. And this I can add is centimeters. Why am I adding centimeters square? Because this is twice time. So one of them I can add is a centimeter square. Now if I multiply this, it is 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 2. We are going to get the answer as 90. Can calculate ourselves, we will get it as 90. And again this unit will remain the same, 90 centimeter square. Right? It is 5 is a 10, 10 multiplied by 9, whole is as 90 centimeter square. So students, I can say that the area of triangle by Herons formula for this particular sum is nothing but 90 centimeter square. So just will recall this sum very quickly. What we have done in this sum. First of all, we have given 3 of the sides and we need to find the area. Then what I have done, students, I just find the perimeter of, I need to find first of all perimeter. So I have done name, what is A, what is B, what is C, and accordingly I am applying the formula of perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. Now it is 12 plus 17 plus 25, all is nothing but the final answer getting is 27. So I can say that the perimeter is nothing but 27 centimeter. Moving on. Then we need, as we know the formula, we need S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So students, I know S minus A is nothing but the perimeter, which we are getting 27 centimeter, minus the A, that is 12. Similarly, we are getting all these sides, it is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now, all the things we are getting now. Then I am applying all of this values in the formula area of triangle. That is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So when I am keeping all of this formula, I am factorizing this. I will get 27 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 15 is 3 multiplied by 5, 10 is 5 multiplied by 2 and 2 remain as it is. As we know, we make this square, we will get 3 multiplied by 3 over here. You can singly write as 3. Similar, this I can write over as 3. This 5 I can write as over 5. And 2 multiplied by 2 can be written simply as 2. And I am putting a centimeter square because that is nothing but 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and this is only 9. And this is how I am multiplying all of this thing, I am getting 90. So the final answer for me that I can say that the area of the triangle is 90 centimeter square. We have completed the very first sum. Now we will see the next sum. This is the very first example on the page number 201 of the textbook. You can read this sum from the textbook. That is, find the area of triangle having 2 sides, of which they are 8 cm and 11 cm and the perimeter is 5 cm. So if you see students over here, you have been given 2 sides, well, and you have been given perimeter, and we need semi-perimeter. Remember, we need semi-perimeter in our as per formula, and we have been given perimeter. Along with, we don't know the side C. So students, as you can see the angle over here, the 2 sides, one is 11 cm, another is 8 cm, and this side is not well known till now. It means we need to find 2 things. We need to find the area of triangle, but before that we need to find side C. Along with it, we need to find semi-perimeter because we have been given where perimeter. So students, we'll start this sum. So very first thing we'll write over here is that what will, and this one of the things which we have been given in this sum. So we can say the perimeter of triangle is nothing but equal to 32 centimeter. So I'm writing over here 32 centimeter. Now students, then we have been given the sides. So I can say side A is nothing but equal to 8 centimeter. Right? And then we have been given side B. So we have side B. I think nothing was equal to 11 centimeters. So I'm writing over this 11 centimeters. Now students, the thing which we need to find is side C and semi-perimeter. So here we have enlisted all the things which we have been given. So very first thing in this sum which we are going to find is the side C, and then respectively we will go for the semi-perimeter. So I am writing over here side C. For that, what we need to do students, we will use the formula, and we know that perimeter is nothing but equal to A plus B plus C. That is perimeter is nothing but equal to A plus B plus C, and we know the perimeter is 32 centimeter. So I am writing over 32. Same way A is about 8 centimeter and B is 11, and we need to find C. So what I'll do, as we can do here, 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. So I am writing over 19 plus C. Now remember, we are finding the third side which is C. So I am writing here 32 minus 19 is nothing but equal to C. So we can say 32 minus 19 is nothing but equal to 13. So I can say that C is equal to 13 centimeter. With this students, I am getting the third side. That is C equals to 13 centimeter. So as I told you, we need to find very first thing is the third side and semi-perimeter. So this is how we are able to find the third side. Now we'll move on this semi-perimeter. So question arises, from this perimeter, how can we find semi-perimeter? So for that students, I can take so if I go for semi-perimeter, then students, I can write it as 2s is nothing but equal to 32, and 32 is nothing but equal to what? Perimeter. And what I do? I will divide this by 2 because this will go over here. Multiplication goes over there, it becomes division. So 32 divided by 2 is nothing but equal to 16 centimeter. So students, this is how we can find the semi-perimeter, which is nothing but equal to 16 centimeter. So till now we have find those things which are not given in our sum, that is the semi-perimeter, and second is the semi-perimeter, and second is the side C. Now as usual we will apply on this formula, but before applying on the formula we know we need to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So students, respectively I will write over here S minus A. Again you know S is nothing but 16. So that's 16 minus 16 minus 8 is nothing but my side A, and nothing but equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, we will go for S minus B. That is nothing but equal to again 16 minus 11. That is nothing but equal to 5 centimeter. And if we go for S minus C, so it is 16 minus 13. That is nothing but equal to 3. So that over is 3 centimeter. So students, now I am getting all these sides. That is S minus A equals to 8 centimeter. S minus B equals to 5 centimeter. And the least is S minus C is equals to 3 centimeter. Now I am going to apply all of this in the formula of area of triangle. So I am writing over here. Therefore, area of triangle, right? So as we know the formula, it is S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, and respectively I will put all the values for this. That is, for S is about 16 centimeter, a semi-perimeter is 16 multiplied by S minus is equal to 8 centimeter, S minus B is 5 centimeter and S minus A is 3 centimeter. Now students, we need to factorize it as I told you. So, now students, if we see 16 and 8 are even numbers, they can be factorized by 2. If I need to factorize 16, see over here. If I need to factorize 16, I can tell it as 4 multiplied by 4, it is nothing but 16. And again as I factorize 4, I will get 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2. That whole makes a sense of 16. That is, by factorizing 16, I will get 4 into 4. If I factorize 4, it is 2 into 2, same as 2 into 2. So for the 4 times I need to write 2, so I am writing over here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Right? The same will go for 8 students. If I go for 8, then you know 8 can be factorized as 4 multiplied by 2. There is nothing but 8. And 4 can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 2. And 2 can be factorized as 2 ones are. Right? So if I multiply this for the thrice time, I am going to get 8. So I am writing over here multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. So now you can see 7 times there will be 2. And if I multiply all of this 2, it is about 7 times, it will be nearly equal to 16 into 8. Now, we cannot factorize 5 into 3 as follows. So I am writing 5 into 3 as it is, which is not possible to factorize. Now if I see this students, see, if I see the pair, 2 into 2 will be one of the pair, again this 2 into 2 will be one of the pair, and this 2 will be one of the pair. So basically I can take 1, 2 and 3. Thrice time 2 out of this bracket. So what I am doing over here? See, this 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, right? And this 2 remains as it is. So I am writing this into the way like this 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Now if I will just multiply all of this thing, the sum of all this thing, it is 2 into 2 into 2 is nearly equal to 8. So I am writing this as 8 over here, right? And if I multiply this 3, what I will get? 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, and 10 multiplied by 3 is nothing but equal to 30. So I am writing this as 30. And remember, the unit will be centimeter square. Right? So students, this is how we can find the area of a triangle, which we are getting as 8 under 30 centimeter square. So students, this is how we are completing the sum, and finally you are getting the area of a triangle. So quickly recall this sum, students. Till now we have done the sum. We are given two sides, along with we were given perimeter, and we were not knowing the third side. We were not knowing the perimeter. So what we did, first of all, we just enlisted those things which were given to us, those values, which is nothing but perimeter, which is nearly equal to 32 centimeter, side A, side B respectively. Now then what I did, I took side C, right, and I applied the formula, that is perimeter. I am just highlighting this, that is perimeter equals to A plus B plus C, and applying this formula, keeping the value, I am getting the third side, that is equal to 13 centimeter. Now then we need to find semi-perimeter from perimeter, because we have given perimeter. What I did, I just took 2s equals to 32, dividing all of this thing, I am able to get semi-perimeter as 16 centimeter. This is how I am getting semi-perimeter as well as third side. After that, applying on this some formula. So before applying on this formula, we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is defined as respectively subtracting side A, B, C from the semi-perimeter. And this I am getting the value. Then applying all of these things, all of these values in the given formula, it is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and 4 multiplied this. On under root, I am getting this values, and what we did, we factorize this term. So we know 16 can be factorized, if I multiply 16, 4 into 4. For about 4 times, if I multiply 2, I will able to get 16. So I am writing over 4 times 2. Then again, if I go for 8, this will factorize over 8, writing the value respectively. 5 and 3 will not be able to factorize, so I am writing over as this 5 into 3. Then I have taken a pair, it is pair number 1, 2, 3, and we can see from this I am taking a single 2, from this 2, and from the third pair 2. And after all of that, which are not in the pair, rest all of the terms are taken in the bracket, and this equal to, and it is multiplied, it is equal to 8, and this whole multiplication is 30, and we need to remember, because this will be, the unit will be 30 centimeter square. So this is how I am getting the area of triangle, that is A under root 30 centimeter square. And this is how we well completed the very same sum, which is the first example of a textbook. Now students, the homework for this video is, you need to solve this sum from the exercise 12.1, it is the fourth sum and the sixth sum. If you read this fourth sum and the sixth sum, it is exactly the same as why we have solved this. The example 1 of a textbook is same sum, it is same as the sum 4 and 6 of the exercise number 12.1. So 12.1, the sum number 4 and 6 will be your homework for this video. So students, this is all for this video. See you in the next video.